Huh? Oh, floor 16. Isn't that the new floor they were building?
Yep. And if we got it here, it means the works are finished.
I hope it's a map inspired by you, Shelly.
Really? But I already have a map.
I know, but there could be one more. Your map is indeed one of the most interesting ones.
Yeah, but what if there's a map about me, huh?
Like what? Another dining section?
These are never too much.
Oh, come on. It's probably gonna be another boring map, like a warehouse or something. And honestly, I hope it actually is.
They need to get for a map as fast as possible.
I see.